Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we will see an interesting South Indian combo, rasam rice and sepakanga fry. Sepakanga refers to this colocasia, also known as arbi in Hindi. So we are going to make this together in our Solara magic pot. First we will make a simple masala. I have taken about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of jeera. We will crush all these together. Crush it coarsely and keep. Here I have washed 1 cup of raw Sona Masuri rice and I have taken 1/4 cup of tuvar dal, washed it and soaked it for 1 hour and kept ready. First switch on the instant pot and then bring it to saute mode and press start. Heat a spoon of ghee in the pot. When the ghee melts, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 dry red chilli, half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds and some hing or asafoetida powder. Next add in this crushed masala. Saute it lightly in the ghee. Here I have 2 ripe red tomatoes chopped fine. Add that also. Add salt to taste. Just saute it till the tomatoes become a little bit soft. When the tomatoes become soft, add about a teaspoon of tamarind paste. And for 1 cup of rice, I am taking now about 5 cups of water. Because rasam rice is meant to be a little bit flowing in consistency, so I have taken 5 cups of water. To this I am adding the dal along with the water in which it was soaked and 1 cup of rice also. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. See, place this stand, steamer stand, and here I got another bowl in which I have placed this arbi. Now lock it in position. Now adjust the knob to bring it to the rice mode and start. The cooking cycle is completed. It has come to keep warm position. Now we will wait for the steam to get released. So don't force open it. Wait for about 5 minutes and then we can open. The steam has been released, so you will be able to open it now. Now we can carefully remove this arbi from it. See, it is well cooked. Then when it is cool, we can peel it out. Now I will remove this stand also. Now give the rasam rice a good mix. The dal has cooked very well. See, perfectly done rasam rice. Now personally we like it a little more liquid in consistency. This is hot water. I am adding another cup of hot water. So instead of 5 cups we can add 6 cups itself right at the beginning. Again mix it very well. Yes, this is the perfect consistency for rasam rice. It should be in a flowing consistency like this. Now we will remove the rasam rice into our serving bowl so that we can make the arbi fry in the same pot. Now finally just add some curry leaves and coriander leaves on top. Piping hot tasty rasam rice ready for you in your Solara magic pot or instant pot. We have peeled and chopped the vegetable. We will just add some turmeric powder, salt, chili powder and some hing or asafoetida. Next I am adding in 1 teaspoon of rice flour to this. Mix it all well together. This is about quarter kg of this arabi which we have taken today. So adjust the spices according to the quantity of vegetable you have. Now since I want to make it in the same magic pot, I washed it out after taking out the rasam rice. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in this pot. I have kept it on the saute mode. When the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds, urad dal. See, when the mustard splutters and the dals are brown, add in this sabji with all the masalas. Now stir fry it, continue on the same saute mode till it is well roasted. Add a few curry leaves on top. For a nice crispy texture, finally you can just add another tablespoon of oil and cook it for a couple of minutes more. Just keep stirring it from time to time. So our lovely sepangang roast or arabi fry is done and ready. I have now shifted it to the keep warm mode. So here again it will gain a little more of crispiness and then we can remove it onto a serving plate. Remember to have an eye on the sabji because it's a small quantity and we have used only less oil. So it might stick to the bottom, so be careful. Keep stirring it from time to time. So our delicious lunch combo of piping hot rasam rice and sepakangu or arabi fry is ready. Both done together as one meal in the Solara magic pot. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe from Geeta's Kitchen.